Oke, standby, kamera ready, sound ready, 3, 2, 1, action.
Hello everyone, my name is Kutuk Pancu Jogi. I'm here about a presentation material standing law and British law. Law is a fundamental element that form the structure, stability and harmony of society. Law function and system or laws that regulates human behavior and ensure that every individual interaction within a acceptable framework. It would allow society evolves because there are no clear boundaries defining what is acceptable or profit. People will struggle to protect their rights, resolve disputes, and maintain social order. Therefore, understanding the law is crucial for everyone, not only legal practitioner but also student, entrepreneur, and a member of the public, individual in daily social and economic activity. As society become increasingly complex, the role of law become increasingly important. Law can be understood as a set of structure and organizes norms creates by the states to regulate behavior, resolve conflicts, and um, uphold justice. Law is binding because individuals must obey the law regardless of their status or position. This binding nature of law distinguishes it from other social rules, such as customer or moral norm, which can be followed based on habit or personal cause. Law is enforces through state authority, meaning violation can result in sanction ranging from fines to imprisonment. This cohesive nature in what makes law effective in maintaining order. Furthermore, law is dynamic and changes with the development of society. Social development, technological change, and economic progress requires law to adapt to remain relevant and able to address contemporary issues. The existence of law in society has several important functions. Law creates order by establishing clear guidelines for behavior. Law protects individual and collective rights, such as the rights to life, liberty, property, and equality. Law provides a fair mechanism for resolving conflict whether between individuals, institutions, or between society and the states. It also promotes justice by ensuring that everyone receiving legal procedure. Another important function in law is the profits. Creativity allows society to plan action, conduct business, and make decisions with a clear understanding of financial legal consequences. It hurts legal continuity and economic and social stability were impossible. The legal system is built on several sources, the regimes and its rules. Written law such as status, constitution, and governments regulation serves the primary source of law in many countries. This written rules and creates by legislative bodies and apply to all individuals with jurisdiction condition. Another source of law is customer law, which stems from tradition and practice that have been held by society for generations. Court decisions also play in an important law because they can serve precedent that with future legal interpretation. Furthermore, international treating influenced national law, particularly in areas human rights and environmental protection. Law is traditionally categorized into public law and private law. Law, public law governs the relations between the state and individual and encompasses areas such as constitutional law, administrative law, and criminal law. Through public law, the states ensure the public interests are protects governance action comply with legal standard, and crimes are punished fairly. Private law, on the other hand, regulate the relationships between individuals of private entities. Private law encompasses such as civil law, family law, property law, and commercial law. Private law emphasizes the protection of private right and obligation. These two branches of law interest to ensure the society functions peacefully and the individual can engage in social economic activities with confidence. Associates and economics because increasingly interconnected business law becomes increasingly important. Business law refers to a set of rules that govern commercial interaction, business operation, and the relationship between business actors, consumer, employer, and government authorities. Business law provides the legal basis for conducting economic activities and ensure the legal for engaging economic and ensure the various interaction are fair, predictable, and equitable. Business law fundamentally shapes how company operation, how transactions are conducted, how sports are resolved, and ethical standard. Business law has several important objectives in its protection the rights and interests of various parties involved in business activity, such as business owner, client, employer, investor, and regulator. Business law also creates legal certainty, allowing companies to operate with a framework that defines their responsibility and limitation. With, without business law, companies and face regulatory exploitation, corruption, and unfair competition. Through rules and regulation, business law ensures transparency, supporting investment, and encourage economic growth. Business that adhere to legal standard gain the trust of consumer and partner, which such their reputation and sustainability. The scope of business law is broad because the business world involves many activity. One important aspect is contract law, which regulated agreement between parties. Contracts are the basis of almost business transaction, and contracts law ensure that promises made in business transaction and are enforceable and legally binding. Corporate law is another important area that regulates the information management and dissolution of business entities. This law defines the rights and obligations of business entity, shareholder, director, and management ensure that company operates responsibly and ethically. Employment law plays a key role in protection worker rights and ensuring fair employment practice. We also setting standard that employees must adhere to regarding wage and working conditions. Consumer protection law is another component of business law that seeks to balance power between business and consumer. This law ensures consumer receive safe products, honest information, and fair treatment. It helps prevent frauds, misleading advertising, and exploitation. Intellectual property law also contributes significantly by protection, invention, trademarks, copyrights, and creative work. This law encourages innovation because creator receives legal recognition and protection for their contribution. Tax law guides business in fulfilling their obligation and contributing to national development. Meanwhile, Beckhoff Stacy law profit and legal framework for resolving situations where business cannot pay their debts, allowing for orderly restructuring or regulation. The role of law in business decision making is crucial. Companies must consider legal aspect and also offering decision the make. Employee recruitment must comply with regulation. Employment marketing strategies must comply with an outstretching standard. Products development must consider intellectual property law. Financial activity must comply with the regulation, and environmental standard must be respected when product goods. Failures to consider legal aspect can result in serious consequences, including lawsuits, financial penalties, and loss of business reputation. In everyday business activity, law is present in almost every process. When individuals buy or sell product, they are entering into legally valid transaction. When companies have employed, they must comply with employment law to ensure fair treatment. When the company creates promotional material, that must adhere to consumer protection standard. When companies innovate or design new product, intellectual property law protect their creation and first routine action such as paying tax, opening a business bank account, or signing and supplier agreement involve legal obligation. This extends highlights the importance of business law in ensuring a healthy and functional business environment. In concession and standing in of law and business law is crucial for anyone living in a modern society, especially for those involved in economic activity. Law provides the order, justice, and creative individual needs to live harmoniously, while business law ensures that commercial activity runs smoothly, ethically, and legally. Understanding the concept legal knowledge strengthens and person's ability to make a responsible decision both in personal and business matter. For companies, legal economic law in not just an additional skill but strategies asset the protect the business, enhance reputation, and supports sustainable growth. Last, thank you for watching for my video, and I end. Thank you. See you next time, everyone.